How to increase the max volume on your iPhone? Well, that's exactly what I'm going to show you in this video. But before that, make sure you subscribe to the channel. It helps out a lot. And with that being said, let me show you how it's done. So your iPhone does have a cap on how much volume is going through your headphones, earphones, or your speaker, just to protect your ears and to make sure that sensitive ears are not damaged during, when you're listening to music or watching movies and that sort of stuff. So you can change this by increasing the max volume or removing the filter all throughout. So you can do this by going into settings, and once you're here, you can go ahead and click on the hearing option. You can see the headphone safety option is here. As you can see, my iPhone currently does not have a limit, but your iPhone by default might have this turned on, and you can see there are various limits. So let me explain to you how this works. If a sound being produced is higher than 95 decibels, the iPhone will automatically reduce the sound to ensure the safety of your ears. But if you want to make sure that the limit is as low as possible, you can see that I have set it to the highest level, and any audio that is greater than 100 decibels, the iPhone will filter it out and reduce it down. But if you want to completely throw away the setting, you can just uncheck the option, and that's it. Your max volume will now be at the highest level that it can be in. And yeah, that's it. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also comment down below on what next videos we should make. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching, and yeah, bye bye.